Hey everyone, today I will show you how to add emotion to your AI generated voices in ElevenLabs, making them sound more natural and engaging. This is a quick way to enhance any voiceover. Start by heading to elevenlabs.io and logging in. Go to the speech synthesis section where you can type out your script and select your preferred voice. To add emotion, look for the settings option, then adjust stability. ElevenLabs offers a range of emotions like calm, excited, sad, and angry. Adjust the slider based on how expensive you want the voice to be. Click generate to hear the result. You can tweak the emotion level and regenerate until it sounds just right in. Experimenting with different emotions can add the perfect tone for your script. And that's it. Adding emotion to your voiceovers in ElevenLabs is simple and can make a big difference. Thanks for watching.
Welcome, everyone. Today, we're diving deep into the world of email marketing automation with MailerLite. I'm your name, and you're watching your channel name. If you're ready to take your email marketing game to the next level, you're in the right place.